Now, if you have an area in your yard where you just can't get anything to grow, it could be a result of too much water or too little water, maybe too much sunshine or too little sunshine.
Danny, can also be the soil.
Of course.
You have the pH of the soil, which you have to bear in mind. And on the scale for pH, it goes from 1 to 14, with 1 being the most acidic and 14 being the most alkaline.
Now, you can test that yourself with several testers that are available at the home center or garden center, and it gives you a pretty good idea of what the pH level of your soil is. But if you want a more exhaustive study, consider going to your county extension service, and they can provide you the containers you need to take the sample. Now, to take the sample, go to 6 different areas of your yard, dig down about 6 inches, take your sample from 6 inches down, then mix the 6 samples together in a clean container, and then put all of the soil together, and you're ready to send it off to have it evaluated.
What they will be looking at is not only the pH level, but the nutrient level of the different things in the garden. So they're going to give you a very good rundown of what you can add to the soil. But the critical thing about the pH, Danny, is that it depends on what you want to grow. If you want to put grass down, then you're going to need to have pH that's a little bit more alkaline. Whereas if you want to grow a really beautiful bed of azaleas, you've got to have it more acidic.
So if you take this time, find out exactly what you need to put in your soil,
Right.
then you won't have this problem anymore.